Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is courtesy of ROCKSPACE. Link is going to be down below. Check these guys out. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is the best home mesh Wi-Fi system. Covers up to 6,000 square feet. I already took it out of the box because I wanted to set it up the right way, and everything is working perfectly. Easy to set up. You need an app, so you might want to get your phone ready. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password. Oh, here we go. There's app. It's going to be called RS Wi-Fi. Google Play or iPhone. Here's the back of what it looks like. So in case you could do your gaming area, your man cave, your kids area, playroom, your office now, since a lot of us are working from home. Pretty much the whole world is. Here we go. Plug and play. Easy to do, guys. I'll show you how I have them set up. Get your phone. But this thing is super fast. And there's the thing right there. RS Wi-Fi. Click on that. Oops. Alright, once you get in, this is what it looks like. Your profile is set, change around any second. Bada boom. It looks like a pyramid, kinda, or a octagon, hexagon. But I am rocking, guys. And here we go. I have 47 devices connected. Settings, you could change everything here too. You can add another one if you need it. Like you add your garage for all your home gyms that are going on now. Pretty much everything. If you have bars set up, once everything gets back, hopefully to normal soon. Right there, my Wi-Fi settings. This is zooming, guys. Boom. And let me check one thing. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys where I have it set up now. And like I said, it's really easy to do. You just need your internet working good and everything. Your passwords. So pretty much set up just like this. So here we go. Here's the number one base. God, excuse the mess. I got to clean up today. We got a rocket over there. And I just have it hooked up back to my router with the black cord right there. And then I'll show you the other two in a second. Alright guys, here's my other computer setup. This is a small computer. And she's rocking over here. Number 2, Noid. But I'm telling you guys, this is amazing speed for your internet. You can connect right away. See right there, I'm connected. Zooming. Streaming perfectly for movies, gaming. You guys could do your 12-hour gaming dons on Twitch. Pretty much anything, guys. This is the one to get. And I'll show you number 3 in a second. And here we go. As you can see, I am rearranging everything now since I got a new computer. So, there's that. Number 3, though. But I am connected through the wired on my computer. Xbox and PS are connected wirelessly in my cameras. So I got a lot of stuff. Smart TV over there. And a few others. And my bed is Wi-Fi too, so I can have that connected. I got a lot of devices, so. But it doesn't even take that much space up though, so. Really nice cube. Kind of looks like a Rubik's Cube. Really cool design. Perfect for anyone, especially this holiday season. I'm sure if you buy it now, especially this weekend, it'll ship to you fast, so you'll have it for the new for the holidays and beyond. So we're gonna hop up in a second, show you more stuff on the app right about now. Alright guys, here we are with the app. Finally sat down. Everything's running really fast though. This is the wireless settings, guest network, parental control, internet settings, QoS, fast roaming, capacity. You do port forwarding, up NP, DNS, upgrades. So, there you go, guys. There you go. See how fast it's moving? Got it down. Mbps. And then the ups. So there you go. My mesh right there. ROCKSPACE. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great weekend and see you soon.